Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to fetch record type information using dynamic Apex. As you can see on the screen, I have already opened Apex reference guide where you can find out information about record type info class, which is used to find the information for an S object record type. This class contains all the methods which you can use to find the information about record type. Like we can use the get name method for finding the name of the record type. We can use the get record type ID to find the ID of that specific record type, and other methods like is active. We can check if the record type is active or it is available or not. And also if you can also check if the record type is a master record type or it is created by a developer administrator. So let's start with writing the code to fetch the record type information using Apex. So let me open my developer console and open the execute anonymous window, and I will start with writing the code. So first of all, I will create a map of string comma ID, which will be named as record type, where we will store the information of record types. So map string comma ID, then record type equals to new map string comma ID. So I have created a map. Now I will use the schema.describe s object result class to find the information about account s object. So schema dot describe s object result, and let me write it as s object result equals to the name of the object, which is account, then the s object type, and then the method which is get describe. After that, let's try to use the record type info class to fetch the record type information. So for that, create a list, and we will use the schema namespace dot record type info, and then I will create a variable record type info. After that, I will use uh, s object result dot get uh, record type post method. Now we have fetched the record types. Let's create a map of a record type name along with IDs. So for let me copy this. Then RD dot record type info, and let's put all the information into this map. So record type, and we will use the put method. After that, RT dot the name of the method is that name to get the name of the record type, comma RT dot get record type ID, and after fetching or putting all the information of record type into this record type map, we will print the map system.debug record type. Let's select wall code and execute the highlighted part. Let's go to developer console and click on debug only. As you can see, the name master is printed because I have only one record type for this account object along with ID. Let's create one more record type and see if it is also fetched or not. So I will go to setup, taking time to setup, and let's go to object manager, count, record types, new record type. I will give it a name and label. Here, let's click next. The page layout with account default. Let's click on. As you can see, I have created the record type. Let's execute that code once more and see if this dealer record type information is also fetched or not. So let's click on execute highlighted. Let's go to developer console and open the debug logs by clicking on debug only. And you can see dealer and its record type along with master and its record type is printed. So this is how you fetch the information of record type using dynamic apex. And to find more about it, you can uh, find more about it from record type information class under apex reference guide. And I will also put the link into the description. Thank you very much.